What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Baker's DIY Lifestyle and part 3, the final part of A Tale of Two Bathrooms. And we are going to be going through all of the install parts of our bathrooms now that we have everything demolished, we have our subfloor fixed, and we are ready to start putting stuff back together. So if you have not seen the first two parts of this series, I will put a card up top so you can check out those other videos and learn how to rip everything out and also how to add some extra support underneath the floor so that you know everything is structurally sound and ready to put everything back together. So the things that you're going to see in this video are right here: installing our tub, installing a 4-piece shower surround, just putting down some floor, painting, and putting in a couple vanities until we get to the end where I'll show you the before and after of these bathrooms. Now, whenever I was filming the before section, it's been so long since we've done this job. Apparently, my GoPro being out in the heat of the summer, some of my files have got messed up, and sadly they are not in the video. So I'm not going to get a full before and after, but you will see at least the big bathroom and how it looked before we started and what we end up with here at the end of the video. But I am super excited that you guys are checking out this video. Hopefully you were here for all 3 parts of the video, and through this series the channel is starting to grow, which is super awesome, and I'm very thankful that you guys are checking it out. If you guys have any questions about anything that you see through this video, please be sure to leave them down below and I will answer them for you. But other than that, I'm just going to sit back, let you guys enjoy this time lapse, and hopefully I will see you in our next video. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, and I am jumping in right here because this is the last install part that you will see in the small bathroom. Sadly, this is one I did not get after footage, but here in just a second you're going to see how the bathroom looked before we got started with everything. And ultimately the after looks almost identical to the other bathroom because we use the same floor, the same paint, and pretty much the same style vanity. But here's your before picture of the small bathroom in this house, and it definitely looks a lot better now, and I know that she is very happy with it. But now that we are done with that, we're going to get back into the big bathroom, finish it up, and that'll be it.